Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. Our project has recovered and is healthy again because previously we used AI to refactor our project. All of our code was refactored by AI. The last thing we restored was the honor system. The honor system means that when we get instant kills and consecutive kills, there will be corresponding responses. And then we also expanded the responses for picking up items and dealing damage. Deployment in progress. There will be an official start for individuals. You can see that we have a consecutive kill honor display here. And in the bottom left corner, there will be kill notifications and damage notifications. Now, when we lose items, there will also be a corresponding notification. This is because our frame is blocking it here. So that's why you can only see it now. This side is mainly our honor system. And then we've added a new compass. You can see that we can now calculate the direction based on the characters facing. And here is a compass display. Then we have this mini-map, as well as our large map, and we can also render some special markers onto these maps. Okay, so on our side, this means our project has recovered and is healthy. It can now proceed with further iterative development. And then the code on our side is all written in C++, and it's all written by this IH. And the features you can see here, they are all developed in the form of plugins, including the marker feature we just saw, as well as the Minimap feature. As for the code here, we actually had AI write it all. Then we gave it real-time feedback and communication. And you'll notice that regarding our minimap, as well as our marker system and our compass system, their architectures are all very similar. In fact, we mainly referenced the architecture of our indicator system. Then we wrote it in the form of a plugin. When AI iterates on this feature, the context it needs is minimal. This way, it writes more accurately. As for the rest of our work, it's actually relatively simple. It mainly involves configuring things through Blueprint. For example, right here, we configure a component, then add it at the code level in CI like this. It will collect such a component and then render it. And these skill embedded processes of ours are all done following this Lyra architecture. For example, you can see our minimap here. It's actually added through our game feature and then modified and added on top of that. You can see we have many slots here. And it will push to these slots. This here is our main UI. And then, like the big map we saw earlier, it's actually pushed through the skill system. Okay, you can see here we will have a skill. And as for this skill, it will push it to the UI's battle interface. So these are two different ways of pushing to the UI. Of course, they both come from Lyra. Alright, that's all for this video report. Thank you everyone.